Hey guys, today I want to show you how I make this photo exactly with the X. The photo is illusion. I didn't use the table. I use only 3 different backgrounds, one artificial light, continuous light, one softbox and X for photography. In this video I show you step by step how make this photo, and the same I show you how set up your camera for that perfect shoot. Let's go! For make this photo we will need few things. First, we need as hero the subject what we photography is the X. The best is boiling the X. Believe me, accident happen. It's happened when I photography and make this video, and my mistake was I boiling only one X. And when you want to work, boiling 2 or 3 for one time is better. Second things. Each X have the numbers on the skin outside. Don't worry about this. When you're boiling the X, the number later disappear, and that is so easy. This is first things what we need. Another things what we need is the card. You can choose different color your background. This is 2 paper. I use that paper for these 2 colors because it's like nice 2 colors, orange and yellow. You can of course use different color, can be blue, can be red, what you choose. And we need one background, what is black background, what is as basic for this. Another things what we need is the lights what we use. I will use today the continuous light, is Suncrafter company. If you want to know something about these lights, you'll find the link below. I make special video about this lamp, and if you buy this lamp, there in the link you have 10% discount. Another things what we need the softbox for make soft light, because I want to achieve with soft light today this photo. That is everything what we need for start, and we can set up everything. First we start from set up our X with the paper. The first important things is like set up as X and the background. One card must be straight, really straight on the background, and another coming here, but this connection is very important here, must be perfect. Another things what we set up is as X, and we use blue tack because we must put the X and must be on the here on the paper. That's in the bottom. I put the blue tack. Now we put as X. You see, it's not easy. I need little time to do this. It's not that for first time. Maybe I need to put more blue tack or stay. Another things we set up as camera. Today I use the Canon EOS 200D. The camera, the lens Sigma 35mm, and of course the tripod. I cannot imagine didn't work with tripod on this shoot, and we will be do a horizontal shoot today. As I put my camera, I won't have everything sharp, that the aperture will be 8. We start from 8. I will see how looks everything. I think this 8 will be good, will be perfect. ISO I have 400, and shutter speed I later check how is bright or dark everything when I put the lights. That is perfect. I think I have that good position for this shoot. I set up the X, set up the camera. I put little up the tripod. I want to have see more in the back, not so close. Later when I will be editing, I will be crop this photo. That will be more easy. But now we set up the lights. I use the Suncrafter lights. Is the artificial light, continue the lights, and the softbox. We start as lights. We have the power like 40 something %, and the temperature is 5600 Kelvin. Is perfect for natural looks the lights. And I switch off to this lamp what I recorded video to see better how looks the photo. I move little camera to the close to show you better everything what I want to achieve. I want to achieve here like shadows this side, the lights, and bright the X, and looks like jump from the table. It's that. But what I see here, the lights, I want to move little closer the lights and little up. Like that maybe. Yes, but the shadows is that direction. I want little back. That I move the little the light, this, and I like how looks the shadows. Maybe move little, and I take the shoot. Oh, I'm happy with this. What I see. That looks the setup, the lamp, the here. And really I like the shadows here on the shoot and how looks the X, really looks like drop.